Hello everyone. As we all know that businesses hold a very important role in the economy and society. But as a matter of fact, we also know that pollution is also mainly caused by the businesses. So, limiting and controlling pollution must also be the prime responsibility of businesses. Taking responsibility of businesses in environment protection is a key solution to solve current environmental issues. So, in this module, we will study about role of business in environmental protection. Being a socially responsible citizen, it is the duty of every business to take care of its surroundings. That means it should be concerned about the protection of the environment. We all know that quality of the environment is important for all of us. So we have a collective responsibility to protect it from being spoiled. Be it government, business enterprises, consumers, workers, or other members of the society. Each one can do something to stop polluting the environment. Role of business in environmental protection. It can be studied under the following heads. Top management commitment, commitment by all employees, clear-cut policies and programs, abiding by government regulations, participation in government programs, periodical assessment of pollution control programs, proper education and training of concerned people. So, these steps, number 1, a definite commitment by top management of the enterprise to create, maintain and develop work culture for environmental protection and pollution prevention. That means top management should be strongly committed towards protection of environment, and it should try to develop such a work culture in the organization that everyone working in the organization, it becomes automatically committed to the environmental protection. Number 2, ensuring that commitment to environmental protection is shared throughout the enterprise by all divisions and employees. Number 3, clear-cut policies and programs should be framed. It may be regarding purchasing quality raw material, employing superior technology, using scientific techniques of disposal and treatment of waste, developing employee skills for the purpose of pollution control. Complying with the laws and regulations enacted by the government for prevention of pollution. So, whatever rules and regulations are being framed by the government for controlling pollution, that should be completely complied with by the business. Participation in government programs relating to management of hazardous substances, clearing up of polluted rivers, plantation of trees and checking deforestation. So, business should actively participate in any of the government program for any of these things. It may be clearing up of polluted rivers, it may be plantation of trees, or it may be management of hazardous substances. Next, periodical assessment of pollution control programs. Time to time, business should undertake steps to assess the cost and benefits of these pollution control programs so that the business can track the progress of these programs with respect to environmental protection. And last one, arranging educational workshops and training materials to share technical information and experience with suppliers, dealers, and customers to get them actively involved in pollution control programs. So, every business should organize these workshops so that everyone connected with the business can get himself actively involved in controlling pollution. This is all about role of business in controlling environmental pollution.